guys, so today we're going to be working on another VXR. It's going to be Evans Corsa VXR in black. We're going to be doing exhaust on it. He bought an exhaust off me, so we're going to be doing a bit of a custom fit because the pipe was cut when I had it. I'm not going to take the VXR today, I want to take the 350. You guys haven't heard what this sounds like yet, so I'm going to have to not show you this, but that video is coming as well soon. And the weather should be a lot better today as well, because we haven't got a hurricane coming through, so we shouldn't have much wind. So see you soon. So I'm up at Jack's now. The VXR's down there. I'm going to end up waking up because I don't actually think he's awake. Lazy git. But I do absolutely love driving this car, and I mean I love driving this 350. Like, the sound of it now is absolutely so good. I just can't wait till we start doing the visuals as well as more modifications on the engine. But again, waiting on the unit. This was recorded just a couple of days after the decal on the Corsa C. If you haven't seen that, go back and look at that. Again, not something we'd do to a car, but you know, it's what a customer wanted and he was happy. And you know, it also shows anybody else who's got a Corsa C who's thinking about doing the same thing. It shows them what the car sounds like and how loud it will be. So this is why we do them sort of videos as well. I'm gonna go and wake Jack up now, kick him out of bed. And guess what? I'm still sat outside his house. He's not waking up, so this is going to be fun. So Jack, you're not actually going to be seeing this until you actually see this video, so cheers mate, it's cold. Thanks mate. I can see you, Jack, come on. Here he is. Morning. Did you enjoy your sleep, Jack?
No. I'm not.
Why? Why did you not enjoy your sleep?
Screaming babies.
You look like you just woke up.
Oh, fuck no.
Right, so we've got Evans here now. Jack's just moving his car out of the way so Evan can put his on the drive. No pressure, Evan. So this will give you a little sound as well of the car before it does anything to it as well. You'll be able to hear obviously what it sounds like without the back box change. So what we're going to do for him today is literally a back box change to a custom power flow one that I had on the VXR before. No, he hasn't crashed his car. Jack's took the lights out. Going to take the back bumper off just to make it easier because we're doing this on the floor. So lights are out. This is a custom power flow back box we're going to do. As you can see, it's a little bit shorter, so we're going to have to cut the pipe on the car already, but we've got an exhaust cutter to do that. And we're going to go and take a trip just to see Jack's boot. Evan sat in the 350, loving life. These was all nice and neat. But driving around, they've kind of done a bit of a trip everywhere, haven't they, Jack? Okay, so we just took Evan out in the 350. What's your thoughts on that? Shit, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about shit.
I don't like it.
It's wank, innit?
Yeah. It's not not loud.
No,
Or fast.
No,
I don't reckon.
No, what's your real thoughts?
The opposite of what I just said.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's decent, yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice. You guys obviously haven't heard that sound yet, so we didn't show you any of that. But it moves, doesn't it? It slides, it moves, it does bits and bobs. So that's good.
Makes a lot of noise.
Definitely does. So here, Jack has took off the back bumper already. Aren't you, Jack? Look at him. He looks so tired. Is it an odd life, Jack? So bumper's off, lights are out. We've got to cut off some of the existing pipe, haven't we? I don't know if we can see it here. On this exhaust. It goes over the rear axle there, you can see at the back. So we've got to cut that off and just make sure that this fits, which is going to be fun. Jack, what are you doing?
Sorting my gloves out.
Evan's dancing around. straight away, as soon as I said his name, he's like, stand still, quick, 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 quick. So this is Evan's VXR. Obviously, Jack's killing himself again on that car. What are you planning on doing to the car? Like, are you blacking it all out? Are you,
Yeah, let's go. I want most of it black, really.
Yeah. Jack, are you alright down there? What have you done? Eh? Jackie,
What?
are you wrestling with the exhaust, Jack?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
No.
Do you need help?
No.
Are you sure?
You're not okay.
Okay, we'll leave him to it. So back to where we was. So obviously you've tinted side indicators. I've noticed that. You've got a few other bits and bobs. that you've done, but you're going to stealth this whole thing out, aren't you? Which I think will actually look pretty nice.
Yeah.
Are you going to tint your front lights as well? And
Yeah, the rear ones are obviously tinted.
fog lights, are you going to black them?
Yeah, I'm going to black these.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's black fronts, but
Jake looked like some sort of serial killer. Is there anything else you're going to plan? Obviously,
wheels are
windows.
going to go like dark grey.
Are you going to tint? The back windows have got a slight tint on
Got a
already,
slight
haven't they?
tint,
Yeah.
yeah.
Are you going to go full limo?
I don't know yet.
Because mine hasn't got the full limo tint. It's got obviously the back, just like I think it's a 50%.
Yeah.
Calipers are blue though.
Yeah, they're going to go red.
They're going to go red, and then your wheels are going to go black,
They're like dark grey.
dark grey.
Yeah, I reckon. And then
Yeah.
rear diffuser's going to go black as well.
Yeah, because I don't know why they did that. I don't know what they thought about when they were doing that. Obviously doing it in the grey
Yeah.
when there's nothing else really grey on the car. I mean, the wheels are, but it's a completely different colour. That's obviously Evan's plans for his car, which, to be fair, I think that'll look really good. Obviously, these cars look nice already as well, but stealth that, they'll look even better. Jack's just measuring up, obviously, this down here. I don't know if you guys can even see, but I'm recording blind, so... But I don't know if you guys can see that, but Jack's obviously going to be cutting this to fit and match. So this should be interesting. Jack looks very, very concerned, don't you, Jack? Looks very, very concerned.
Yeah.
Jack's going to use an exhaust cutter to cut this. Very simple to use, just wrap it around and literally keep moving it backwards and forwards and it'll cut straight through. So this is the pipe we need, this one here, just after this hanger. Basically it's going to make it so we can get this back box on. We're going to use a reducer as well. Do you remember what size they were, Evan? Is it 2.5 to 2? I think it's something like that, isn't it? Yeah, so I think it's 2.5 to 2, but obviously this was custom built, so we've kind of made it so it fits that. Jack's got the reducer on, so this obviously sits over the existing with a clamp. This is going to sit over the new back box. The wind's just picked up. We're not going to have a repeat of the other day, are we, Jack? No. Literally, that was actually in a hurricane, by the way, for those of you watching, so that's why we had such bad wind. But literally, this is going to get put on now, reclamp it all back up, and then we're going to fit the back box back on, just down there. Now this is a completely different reducer. He bought two just in case one didn't fit. This is too small. This fits just like directly on the pipe. The other one fits over. Now the other one, it's got like slits in it. This one doesn't, and it was a little bit too big. So what we've had to do is we've had to cut a crisscross pattern over the reducer to put it over. So when the clamp goes on, it obviously makes it so it's the size that it should be to fit over the exhaust. So that's all fitted on. That's all done now. We're going to go ahead and put everything back on. The larger size for the actual back box, like the new back box, that fits on perfectly fine, so we don't have to do any modifications to that. So we're going to go ahead and put that back box on now and get it all finished. You having fun?
No.
Is it going on?
No.
Is it not? Stop light, Jack. This is what I had on my Corsa before I obviously got the back box to lean. Sounds quite nice, to be fair. We like doing this stuff to obviously see people's reactions and stuff. I'm going to turn this way so you guys don't get as much wind. But the exhaust is pretty much on now, and obviously we appreciate you guys coming down and that to get booked in for work done, because obviously this all goes to the unit, it goes to the channel, it goes to the builds and all that sort of stuff. So if you do want any work doing, just message on Instagram or message Rusty Autos page. Again, that will be changing soon as well, so we will let you know about that. Evan, what are you doing? All I can see is Evan like moving around like this behind. He's making sure I'm in shot because I can only record from the front camera on my phone, so he's a good one. He's a good one. But yeah, thank you to everybody that is booked in for stuff. There's some car reviews coming up soon as well. There's a few people coming down for boost gauges, literally anything. So sincerely appreciate that, guys. Thank you very much. We've had to go and collect a straight clamp because Evans was absolutely knackered. This bit inside, like snapped completely. That's the old one. So we just got a Evans shoe. Nice shoes, mate. But yeah, we've literally just gone and got a straight connection just to put it over, so there's no blowing. So it's now just connecting it all back up, putting the back box on, and Evan's freezing. It's just started to rain a little bit as well,
As you can see, which is typical. So people, if you don't know what size it is, you can just use a Coke can.
It's Coke can size.
There you go. Take that to your shop and they'll know what size clamp you want to use. Jack, he just looks like a little kid just sat there. You got your toys, Jack? Want some alphabet spaghetti?
Numbers.
Okay, sorry. That's all done now. Got me up because it started raining. It's absolutely freezing as well, so that's not ideal. But exhaust's on, bumpers going on, lights are going in, and then we're going to give you guys a listen as well. On this he's got a decat, but he's got the middle silencer as well, and obviously now he's got the custom power flow back box, so that'll give you an idea of what obviously setup he's got. So we're going to finish doing this, then we're going to take it for a drive. Just going to show you a start up, but this is on a warm start. We have warmed it up so we can just show you driving it as well. That car won't go on that drive. It pops. It pops. You like the sound? Nice. Sounds completely different, doesn't it? It does, yeah. Completely different. That's it for this video. Evan's come down for his exhaust. He's a happy chappy. Obviously. That sounds very good, doesn't it? So obviously, if any of you guys want any stuff doing, make sure you obviously send us a message on Instagram or on Facebook as well. So, right, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.